Hello, real estate. Don't shoot. I hope nobody's here. Hello? Hello? Don't shoot. Oh, geez, it's me. I'll be fine. Blood pressure, blood pressure. I got 4 new videos coming up, so you're going to like that. A couple rural properties, some big aerials, all that stuff. This isn't a rural property. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath in Lexington. So if you don't want to see just a regular house, then jet. Give me a like, though, before you go, please. Y'all can just jet, and then I'll catch you on the next one. No biggie. Hey, y'all. What in the world is that junk back there? They say if you look in somebody's car, and you'll see how they live. Not true. Not for me, anyway. Hey, this is not a rural property. This is just a regular house in a regular neighborhood. Very nice neighborhood. I'll tell you why. You're in the middle of a lot of really cool things here. This is Lexington. So you got this massive Kroger here. It's like the Kroger, I don't know, the highest end Kroger. And you have a real high-end grocery store. You know you're in a good area. We are 0.8 miles away. Lexington is the most polished city in Kentucky. Sorry, Louisville, I'm just telling the truth. That's the way it goes. If you're thinking about moving to the area and you're wondering, where am I going to find a job? Lexington would be a great place to start. Now, God knows we could use some good talent in Danville and Harrodsburg and all down where I live, but you certainly can come up here and commute. Danville's like a bedroom community for Lexington anyway. A lot of people live in Danville, work in Danville, all that stuff, but a lot of people do commute. And you could too. It's not that far, like 28 miles, right? And then you're in the big city.
At the next traffic lights, turn left.
Now this is Tate's Creek Road. So Circle 4, obviously it circles around Lexington. It's actually called New Circle Road. I call it Circle 4. A lot of people call it Circle 4. You call it whatever you want when you get here. But New Circle Road, kind of a loop around the city. Now we're 0.3 of a mile. The outer loop is called Man of War. Man of War is a famous racehorse. So that's a big deal. But this is the inner loop. So you're between the inner loop and the outer loop. Oh, you live outside of the loop. What do people do who live outside of the loop?
The destination is on your left.
All right. Look at these houses. Come on now.
The destination is on your left.
Okay,
Arrived.
right here. Arrived. Hey, I always like to arrive. You're on a cul-de-sac. That's a great place to live because you get no traffic. Got nice maple trees, so you're going to have beautiful colors in the fall. All right. I have no idea what this looks like. It's a friend of ours. They want to sell. They're not here. They're at a doctor's appointment. I'm going to go in. We're going to bust it. And then I'm going to pick up some lunch and take it down to the RV park. Hold tight. Here we go. Just so you don't think I'm fibbing to you. See that blue sky? The sun just peeked behind the clouds. These flowers were lit up like a big dog. It's going to come out, and then I might take another picture. Look at the neighborhood, right? There's perfect neighborhoods, perfect locations. This is a fabulous house, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. I don't know how many square feet it is, but I'll put it down here. I like it. It's built like a brick, you know what. There's a big I-beam in the garage. This is real wood in here, and then they've got like laminate or whatever, Pergo stuff in the other room. I don't know why people do that, but they do. I should probably take that out of here. They've got, all right, so every house has got a secret. Every house has got the superpower. This house has got a finished room over the garage, which would make an amazing, like, teen flat, granny cottage, or home office. Why they have a home office here, I don't know. I'd do something else with this. What would you do with this room instead of having a home office here? But this does not meet my approval. Like that ever means anything. Ask my wife. You want to see what's in there? Okay, let's do it. La la! A pocket door with a can. Unbelievable. Now they have this marked as a whole bathroom. I've been saying 3 bathrooms. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This is a 2.5. Half. Get it? 2.5. 2.5. Like 2 and a half, but tuna, like a fish. And a jam-packed, what do they call that? When you got a closet there by the front door. I can't remember. So eat-in kitchen. Yes, it's an eat-in kitchen because you got to go around there. But you got the bar too, so you got that as well. Stainless appliances, very nice. Stainless sink, stainless refrigerator, and you know, we're going to do it. We got to do it. Why do I do this? I don't know, because I guess it was such a taboo when I grew up. You don't open somebody's refrigerator, you don't go in a woman's purse, you don't go in a ladies' room, like all those taboos, right? These are my kind of folk. They got a beer in there, and that's okay. Come on. I get some comments, whatever, they're like, oh, you know, what are you doing with the beer? It's like, it's okay. In the big scheme of things, with the world the way it is today. Plus, they say 6 to 9 glasses of wine a week is 40% less chance of heart disease. So I guess a whole bottle would be even better. This is here, but it's out of the way. So that's nice. You got that going for you. It's really built nice. I've been walking around. You got tile floor. It's solid. The price is right. You know, whatever. The payments are going to be like maybe $1,600 a month. You couldn't rent this for anywhere near that. Gas logs, super. They're on, they're on. They're off, they're off. You got wood? Well, you know, I don't have to tell you the rest of that story. Wait, I got to show you the backyard, but I'm going to show you the other stuff first. The backyard is fabulous. So this looks like my garage, and that looked like my refrigerator. That's why I say these are my people. But there's that I-beam. Check that out. Look at that header. It's actually not a header. It's over there, and I don't know why it's there and not over at the very end or the very edge of that wall. It's a fantastic 2-bay garage. I was saying to my boys, I said, hey, you know what a 2-bay garage is? It's for one car. It's just the way it is because people got stuff. And they're fixing to move out too. So, you know, in the South we say fixing to. You know what that means, right? You're getting ready to do something. I'm fixing to do this or fixing to do that. I don't know why they say that. It's really stupid. But I like it. I like the Southern charm. Bedroom number 3. 2. Bedroom number 3. Got a little thing going on. Oh, closet. That other one's got a closet too. I'll show it to you. Whoa, there's your beer kettle. Right here, guys. If you're looking to make beer, that one will get you started. Or if you're looking to make some killer chili, it kind of doubles as that. But we have to prioritize. I'm really not a beer drinker. Nice double closet here. That's nice. A linen. Coat closet. All right. Things come to me eventually. How you doing there? Intermittent fasting, I'll tell you, it's unbelievable. I'm almost down to nothing. I've lost 2-3 pounds. It's been amazing. Full bath, solid piece, shower surround. It's not really a shower surround, it's a tub. It's a tub shower. The primary bedroom. This is really cool. We call that a tray ceiling. Where you're from, what do you call those things? Is that vernacular? In other words, just around here, or is it just anywhere? Look at the toile. Very classy. You can tell these are classy people. There's the backyard. I'll wait till I show it to you. Really nice. A soaking tub, so you can soak all your parts. And the twin vanities, very nice. Just before Cindy and I got married, we met this couple who were in their 80s. And they were still loving on each other, right? She's sitting in the chair. He's sitting in the chair. She sits on the arm, and she starts rubbing his head. I was like, oh, my God. How long you guys been married? She said 62 years or whatever. And I'm like, what's the secret to a good relationship? And he says, well, pick and choose your fights wisely. And she said, separate bathrooms. So I thought that was kind of fun. And we do. We actually have separate vanities. But like one's over here and one's over there. This has got plenty of room to do the same thing. It is success because I like mine one way and she likes hers the other way. It's a good thing. And the full shower. You're going to use this one 100 times more often than you're going to use this. But it's nice to have both. I didn't even look in here. Oh my gosh. That's like deep. How deep is your love? Where are we here? There we go. I know the quality will be a little better. It's got a lot of space. You know what I mean? It doesn't have like a big footprint, so it's not taking space out of your... If you don't have big closets, you're toast. I'm just telling you. You gotta have closets. I'm gonna shut that off. Now you wanna see the super power this house has? This is the secret. So not finished, just OSB on the floors, but like a rock. And this is huge. This is, I don't know, I'm guessing 16 by 20, something like that. I mean, that's a great size. And that would be about the size of a 2-car garage, wouldn't it? About 300, 400 square feet. So, I don't know, maybe it's 20 by 20. But it's big. Everybody's got different needs. I ain't judging. I love everybody. But I'll tell you, I wouldn't have all this stuff here. I'd have this stuff out of self-storage or a garage sale or whatever you like and all that stuff. Believe me, I got crap like this too. But this is good, usable square footage. Put your kid up here. Put your granny up here. Put your nanny up here. Put a home office. Oh my gosh. You'd have the most luxuriant home office in the whole wide world. Or a YouTube studio. Lots of stuff you could do here. Craft room. You can do way better. Well, they do some painting here, it looks like. But you can do way better than this for this space. This is a space to be respected. And this is the most sad little bulb all by itself. Tip from your Uncle Brad. Do not ever buy those things. Those curlicue things are terrible. Look on the label. It says if this breaks, you got to mop it up, put it in a special box, and you got to take it to a special landfill. It's got mercury in it and everything. Those, no bueno. LED, it's the way of the future. Isn't that pretty? Look down, say, oh, I'm receiving guests in 5 minutes. Go away, please. Come back at another time. Obviously, if Ken was out here, or even if Teresa or whatever, they told them they have to have good lights that all match. That's what we do. We try to help people. And you can see that's exactly what they did just recently. However, I'm going to tell on them, and I hope they don't hate me for it. And if they do, well, too bad. Look at this. Come on! You got a warm one, you got a really old, crummy warm one, then you got the, whoa, that bright white. It's like, make them all the same, make them all nice, make them all LED, and then it looks and feels great. That's how you wake up in the morning. You come right up here, and then you got to look at that. Oh my God, it drives me crazy. I am cursed because I'm the property manager type for our company. So I'm looking at every little thing. That's why I try to point stuff out to you. I'm always doing that. I'm a pain in the ass, I know. All right, let's go out back here to one of my favorite parts of this house, besides the finished room over the garage. When's the last time you saw a safety hook like this? I haven't seen one of these since I was like 8 years old. Where do you even get those? I guess at a real hardware store. And this is the backyard. Absolutely spectacular. 2-story deck. You got plenty of room for a garden. In fact, if we were in the UK, this is the garden. Let's go sit in the garden. It's like sit in the garden. I might have a carrot, you know. Never mind. No, that means the backyard. I'm like, oh, okay. And you can put your smoker over here. It'd be out of the way, out of sight. If you dripped or anything, wouldn't be such a big deal. It looks great. This is some kind of fruit tree. In fact, there's the fruta. Not really sure what it is. It looks like a cherry, but they're too big for cherries. It could be an apple. It could be a pear. It could be a plum. I bet you it's an apple tree. What do you think? That's the bark of an apple tree. Thread leaf weeping Japanese maple. Love that. You got 4 chairs. I was going to say. Now you make sure to tell Ken that he negotiates those in, because they'd be nice to have right here. But Ken, I don't want to buy those chairs. Those people don't need those chairs anyway. I want to negotiate that in. He does stuff like that all the time. Because he's fun and he's crazy. That's all I got to show you. That's all I got to say. Got the flowers. Got the table. It's got the wainscoting. It's got the chair rail. Love this house. It's got it all. Give Ken a call. The number's right here, over here. If this place is right for you. If it's not right for you, that's even better. Get on our HomeFinder, and that's up here. In fact, when you do the HomeFinder, that goes immediately to Teresa's desk, and she starts filling it. She'll call you up and say, hey, you just filled this thing out, and it said, you know, whatever, 3 acres. Are you okay with 5 acres? Or whatever she does, right? This is Teresa's friend's house. So remember I told you we know a couple? Well, that's who this house is. is Teresa's friend. So when you call up and fill out the home finder, you're actually going to be talking to Teresa, and she is a hoot. She's a lot of fun. She's a Florida girl, and you know how Florida girls are. They're just fun and wide open. And Teresa, well, she's wide open. We love her. Stick around for just a minute. Stick around for just a minute, and I'm going to show you a little bit of drone, like just a couple seconds. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. It helps me so much. I really appreciate it. Talk to you soon. Love you guys. Really do. Can't wait to do the next video with you. Ciao. I can't wait to hear your opinions, so comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, go to our website, bluegrassteam.com/homefinder, to tell us what your ideal property looks like, and we'll send it to you. Right, Mojo?